Today we're going to have a preview tour of this house and lot for sale here in Avida Settings New Valley. But before we go inside the property, let me just show you the special features of this house. Starting with the corner lot feature. This property is 176 square meters and it's a corner lot. Not only that, typically ang corner lot may opening sa two sides, front and sa side. But this one, it has an opening at the back because meron siyang easement sa likod. Meaning, yung bahay sa likod mo may agwat pa. And that gives you a lot more light, a lot more air to come inside your property. Now, right beside it is your park and playgrounds. Nung kitang-kita naman, ito, katabi natin, parks and playgrounds, you have your slide, you have your swing, you have a basketball court, and you have a gazebo. Not only that, if you have guests, this area has a guest parking. Now, right on the other side, it doesn't stop there. As you can see, you have a lot of space in front of the property for landscaping. And dito naman sa other side will be your carport that can fit 2 cars and your service area. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob. By the way, this house is 7 years old. Natiran siya, but only had 1 renter. So welcome to your living area. It's open space layout. Okay? For me, this is a project house. Now, if you would like to see the rest of the tour of this property, you can go on our YouTube channel. The tour is posted there.